Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, just like how we anticipated, the price of Bitcoin started bouncing off after testing the support from this bull market support band. 21-week exponential moving average along with 50 weighted moving average, because in the past price action we found out price remaining above these moving averages has resulted in some very bullish move. And if you look at it right now, just like how we anticipated, after testing this key trend line, the price of Bitcoin has started to show this bullish move, and now it looks like we are following this descending broadening wedge in a weekly time frame, and descending broadening wedge is actually a bullish continuation pattern. So even according to this weekly time frame, you can see price remaining above this bull market support band, remaining above 60,000, means we could be following this bullish continuation with new all-time high imminent. Yes, you heard that correctly. Despite the bearish scenario what is building around crypto space, price remaining above 60,000 could be preparing ourselves for another continuation here to the upside, because that's exactly what we found out looking at this price action using Wyckoff price cycle. I showed you this on my previous video. Price of Bitcoin in the past price action has only started with this actual mark-off phase when we found support above the previous high. But before this previous high scenario played out, first we saw price in this markdown phase, price forming this accumulation area, and only after that it got attracted towards the previous high, and only after that a new parabolic move. Same thing has repeated again and again. Markdown phase, accumulation area, price got attracted towards the previous high, and only after flipping that into support we started with an actual parabolic move. And now if we look, in our case, if you look at this Wyckoff price cycle, you can see very clearly Bitcoin is approaching around the previous high. You can see here, right? And as soon as this previous high gets flipped into support, just like from this past price action, we are expecting an actual bullish continuation or a new all-time high for Bitcoin, because we found out beside this Wyckoff price cycle, beside this bull market support band, even this Livermore pivotal point theory pointing us Bitcoin could be preparing itself for another continuation here to the upside as soon as we flip the previous high. I mean, price breaking out from the previous high is going to give us another buying opportunity according to this Livermore pivotal point theory. So since we are also approaching around the previous high, as soon as the price breaks this resistance, we are going to be flashed with another buying opportunity. And parallelly, we are also following this bull flag formation. I mean, as soon as this upper trend line gets broken, it is going to trigger another bullish continuation pattern for Bitcoin, because falling channel, descending channel is a bullish continuation pattern. And beside this example, guys, beside this in a bigger picture, even with this falling wedge, another bullish continuation which was lining up in a daily time frame. I mean, I showed you guys this on my previous video. Bitcoin started showing weakness, but this pullback, this weakness found support after testing the previous temporary resistance line, the same line which previously acted as resistance acted as support. And after that, you can see the price of Bitcoin is showing strength. So above 60,000, support from this 21-week exponential moving average, 50 weighted moving average. Now we also have support from this falling wedge, and this falling wedge is a bullish continuation with price objective around 74,000. So new all-time high could be imminent. So that's why, guys, that's why we want at any cost the price of Bitcoin to remain above 60,000, and not just only because in a bigger picture, even here in a 4-hour time frame according to our leading indicator, because this here is a sign that price for the coming days could be favoring the longs. I mean, remaining above this October CPR which sits above 60,000 means the price of Bitcoin could be slowly getting attracted towards this first target for the month of October, which is around 69,000. So this R1 line in the medium short term, in the upcoming days, which sits around 69,000, could be attracting us. And I just showed you with this falling channel or descending channel, you can see this upper trend line also sits in between 68 to 70,000. So this trend line could be attracting us if the price remains above 60,000. And parallelly, even with this volume profile, we knew that this central line, this POC line, was an important line of support for Bitcoin. Remaining above that range means we could be preparing ourselves for another continuation here to the upside. And why? Because this trend line was the area where the most trading activity occurred over the season. That's why this trend line was very important for us, and that's exactly where we came. You can see that's exactly where we came. That's exactly where we found support. So now if this here is going to result in another continuation, a double bottom type of formation, then you can see, guys, this 68 to 70,000 in between that range is where we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted. And parallelly, the price of Bitcoin is also following this symmetrical triangle. This symmetrical triangle had a bullish breakout with a higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern formation. In our case, we also had a bullish breakout. Price started showing weakness, but I showed you guys remaining over 60,000 means this pullback will be looked as a temporary pullback, and price after that is expected to follow this continuation pattern. I mean continuation of uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, continuation pattern. So looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, you can see, guys, price remaining over 60,000 means we could be preparing ourselves for another continuation here to the upside. And if you have any doubt, I suggest you guys to simply zoom out. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please, guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, guys, if you want to take part in this Bybit WSOT event, which is taking place soon with the $10 million prize pool, then please check the video description, because I will be taking part in this event. And if you want to trade along with me using some of the bonuses which are available for our community members, free bonuses available for our community members, then definitely check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.